Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we would be diving into the world of cryptocurrency and delving into the topic of Fimath AI. They claim to be revolutionizing crypto trading with the power of artificial intelligence. But is it all hype? Or is Fimath the real deal? Let's find out. Navigating the cryptocurrency market can seem to be a pretty daunting task, even for seasoned investors. Volatility, complex analysis, and keeping track of ever-changing market trends can leave anyone feeling overwhelmed. That's where Fimath AI comes in. They offer a personalized AI-driven solution that promises to simplify the process. But what truly sets them apart is the AI aspect. Fimath AI claims to be using artificial intelligence to automate trade execution, adjust strategies based on market changes, and this makes the entire trading process extremely user-friendly at all levels. It's like having a personalized AI assistant on the go, guiding you through the crypto world. Fimath AI aims to empower both individuals as well as institutions to trade with confidence, regardless of their background or experience. According to their website, although more research is recommended, Fimath is a reputable company incorporated in the UK with a headquarters in Germany and a branch office in Luxembourg. Their focus on compliance and security might put some of your worries at ease. If you're intrigued by the idea of an AI-powered crypto trading solution, then Fimath AI is definitely worth your interest. I think it's definitely worth checking out. They're even offering an 8 USDT trial bonus for first-time registrants. But remember always, and I keep saying this all the time, always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency platform. Now let's see how you can create an account on fimath.com. To get an $8 bonus, go to the link in the description below and sign up with our special link. After this, you will be directed to this page where you can create an account using your mobile number or email address. Input the details like email, password, and click on register. Boom, you have successfully created your account. Now you can see the dashboard of your account, which features quantify, options, recharge, withdraw, and app download. You can also view real-time quotes. Now let's take a look at how to deposit money and withdraw from the Fimath platform. You can click on research and then you will be directed to this page. You need to copy the address and go to your wallet from where you want to deposit the amount. Now paste the wallet address, enter the amount and press confirm. After researching the amount, you need to go to the quantify page. Now here you can see $58 with a trial bonus of $8. When you click on Start Quantification, it will take about 1 to 3 minutes to process the quantification. But please keep in mind, you need to have your mobile app or your browser open in order for this quantification process to complete successfully. Now, after completing this process, you will immediately see the amount increase to $58.54. You can do this twice a day. Afterward, when you want to withdraw your money, you need to follow some simple steps. Go to the withdraw section and input your address along with the amount. Then enter your transaction password and click on the withdraw coin button below. And that's it, guys. It's as simple as that. Let us know in the comments down below what you think about Fimath AI. Have you tried AI-driven platforms before? We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in to Crypto Scholar. If you're passionate about all things crypto, from NFTs to play to earn opportunities to discovering new pre-sale cryptos, then you're in the right place. And we'd request you to stay in loop with us by subscribing to the channel, pressing that bell notification button. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep thriving in the world of cryptocurrencies. I'll see you in the next video.